Neuvolution, Ultramind for Human.
Neuromodulation may be explained as the electromagnetic stimulation process that elicits a specific response from the brain. Neuvolution aims to regenerate the weakened self-control circuit on the brain, capable to set people free from depression, binge eating disorder, and substance use disorders dependence by restoring their free will that every human is entitled to have. Neuvolution is a startup that aims to conquer the surgery-free brain modulation market of 80 million people, starting in the US. The problem we aim to solve: depression. Depression causes people to lose pleasure in daily life, can complicate other medical conditions, and can be serious enough to lead to suicide. Addictions. The opioid overdose crisis that killed more than 100,000 Americans in a year has been called one of the most pressing national security and public health challenges facing the US. A majority of the overdoses are driven by the potent synthetic opioid, fentanyl. Overdoses now kill more people than car crashes, firearms, suicide, or homicide. Binge eating disorder, BED or BED, is a serious mental illness where people eat very large quantities of food without feeling that they're in control of what they're doing. It can affect anyone of any age, gender, ethnicity, or background. The evidence suggests it's more common than other eating disorders. The solution: Neuvolution novel technology develops a medical device that helps people to inhibit such dependence of the neural circuits. We reach the deeply located regions in the brain that overpowers the free will, and to strengthen self-control by brain plasticity simulation, helping to achieve and maintain a meaningful and sustained mental disorders recovery. We do that in a focalized manner without surpassing the FDA-approved therapeutic parameters. Our groundbreaking technology. Neuvolution produces a unique TMS device in order to become the best ever treatment against depression, drug addiction, and binge eating disorder, BED. The significance relies on the design of a new, complex, resonant, magnetic far-field power transfer patent that generates an interaction with small and selected regions anywhere within the brain in a surgery-free, no-invasive fashion. We have come with the world's most unique and novel magnetic technology and patented it in order to deal with such unreachable neural circuits if you were still using today's obsolete electromagnetic products. Our medical device really works and features a pleasant user interface that allows our users to complete rehabilitation sessions from the comfort of their home or safe space through our TMS application. Groundbreaking technology, convenience and affordability creates a huge gap between competition and Neuvolution medical device. All present transcranial magnetic or electric neuromodulation technology becomes from now obsolete after Neuvolution. Brain recovery. Our target market reaches more than 80 million people just in the US that for some biochemical imbalances are suffering and need a second chance to get rid of depression, addiction or binge. Pain and acceptation process. Mental disorders and substance use disorders affect millions of Americans and impose enormous costs on our society. Neuvolution believes in an effective intervention that actually improves and maintain a meaningful and sustained recovery in the lives of individuals. Patients with mental disorders or SUD generate individual suffering, lost productivity, stress, and heartache for family and friends. Neuvolution Initiative seeks to help for the ruptured families and communities made of children, wives, husbands, and parents that have lost a loved one through a suicidal action, drug-related violence, overdose, or premature deaths related to morbidity. Rehabilitation. We already can reach and selectively produce magnetic inhibition of the very specific regions of the brain in order to debilitate the mental disorders and SUD-dependent circuit. During our 6 to 8 weeks daily rehabilitation treatment sessions, the prefrontal cortex, PFC, should be stimulated in order to enhance brain plasticity, to strengthen the PFC-STN neuronal functional pathway. Treatment is also supported with medical and psychological therapy. This groundbreaking technology really works and helps people with mental and substance use disorders to achieve and maintain a meaningful and sustained recovery, motivating users with this to the expanded reinsertion and inclusiveness to society. We also do it to rebuild the damaged social architecture and to help people to recover their health, integrity, happiness, and joy to live. Neuvolution helps you to recover your life and guide your way back.